Hey everyone, this is Nissy from Kukai, Japan. Today I'm showing you why Google Keep is the ultimate memo tool in Google Workspace. I barely used it before, but now I'm all-in. Fast, flexible, and shockingly powerful. How about you, Naruto? Are you using Keep?
Honestly, not much.
I see, so today I try to convince you to start using it. We'll cover its core features, how to organize like a pro, bonus tricks, and I'll even show you my personal setup. Let's get started. First, why Keep? I used to jot memos in Gmail chat until drafts got lost and everything turned into one endless scroll. Then I tried Keep. Game changers, crowd-based, auto-saved and clean. You can open Keep from the app launcher or from Gmail and calendar sidebars. It works just as smoothly on mobile too. Second, interface and features. Let's take a look on the Keep screen. The left sidebar gives you notes, all your memos, reminders, time-based alerts. Take a look that they don't sync with calendar anymore. Labels, like internal or YouTube content IDs, great for keeping things organized. Just don't overdo it. The top bar gives you refresh. It's actually not really needed because it's sync automatic. List view for reading, grid view for scanning.
Indeed, depending on the task, it's quite nice to be able to change the view.
Right? In addition, you can also archive a note. One click and it's hidden but still searchable, like in Gmail. Third, creating notes. Let's make a note. Title, June 17th, 2025. Body, arrange schedule with the client. Use show checkboxes for a to-do list. Checked items get crossed out and drop down. Use the palette icon to color code. You've got solid colors and decorative styles as well. First, purple perks. Let's check out what makes Keep great. Easy access from Gmail and calendar. Open sidebar. Take notes without switching screens. Super handy during meeting. Convert notes to Google Docs. Use the three-dot menu. Copy to Google Docs. Boom! It's a whole doc. Extract text from image. Upload an image, grab image text, instant OCR, and yes, you can turn it into docs. Mobile apps is super handy. You can add your to-dos from anywhere.
Actually, I quite like to add the notes from my mobile phone.
Yes. Swipe left to archive, tap press to add notes, titles, labels. It's quick and smooth. Alright, let's finish with 4 useful shortcuts in Google Keep. Just remember C, L, E, F. C is for creating a new note. L creates a list note. Use this to quickly make checklist. E archives a note. Remember, archive is not delete. It just moves note out of view. F is for pinning. Select a note and press F to pin it to the top. Press F again to unpin. 6. How I use Keep. I use Google Keep for ideas and memos, and Google To-Dos for tasks. When something becomes actionable, I move it to To-Do. Clear separation, clear mind. So Naruto, how was that?
I'm pretty convinced to start using Keep from today.
Great. That's Google Keep. Clean, fast, flexible, and way more powerful than it looks. If this was helpful, like and subscribe. I've got more workspace tips coming your way. See you in the next time. Bye bye!